How's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. In today's video, we're working on a car that ain't mine, but we're gonna do a lot of shit to this one. So this is, can you tell us what we're doing?
We're doing a clutch job on my 2002 Golf, Mark IV GTI 1.8T. Doing oil change, the clutch, rear main seal, all fluids.
A lot of broken knuckles, a lot of beverages, a lot of weekend work. So we're gonna basically kind of bring this thing back up to its tip-top shape, functioning-wise at least. We got it up on the lift. We broke all the lugs loose, or most of them. He's already draining the oil. I'm gonna get to taking the wheels the rest of the way off, and then we're gonna start draining the trans fluid. All right, so we got the tires and wheels off. We got all the fluids drained out of the trans and the engine right now because we're changing that out too. Got the air box and the battery all removed. Got all this, these got air oil separators disconnected. Just trying to get everything out of the way and disconnected from the trans and starter motor down here so we can start getting those bolts. And
yeah, we're gonna do the shifter linkage. You're gonna take off the cables that head to the shifter tower, get rid of the shifter arm here, some of the other accessories. The slave cylinder for the clutch needs to get disconnected still.
It's a lot different than my card.
Then we're going down to the axles last but not least.
And we also got this shield out from here, but look at how much room we have to pull this dang thing out once we get it out. I mean, it's just straight down. I didn't have all this room up here to work with either. I had to get every single bolt from the bottom. That was a ton of fun. I don't even think we'll need to pick up or put pressure on the engine at all.
No, the engine we might have to support if anything, because this supports the motor in a sense.
Yeah, it's all one unit now.
Yep,
unit.
Side to side, total unit.
So come back with a more thorough update afterwards. Okay, so you ever just start working on something and you forget to film it? Well, let's see. Since the last time we filmed stuff, the trans is out, clutch is off. He had a couple broken teeth in his old clutch, and the surface of it was pretty bad. So we just watched a video and the same two teeth were missing from that clutch face. And it's pretty worn, and there's a lot of marring and contact on the inside and stuff, so it's definitely good for an upgrade. We just weighed the two flywheels. That OEM flywheel is 22.5 pounds, and this one is 15.5. So it's a 7-pound weight difference. It's gonna be a nice, quick engagement. And it's got it looks like you have like a thicker material too, so.
Throwout bearing.
New throwout bearing and everything. Shout out to South Bend Clutch for hooking them up. So we're gonna wait on doing that though. He's waiting for his rear main seal to come in.
Next couple days.
So we're gonna put the rear main seal on. I think that is what I'm looking at right there. And I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look very bad.
No, it doesn't look bad at all, but since we're down here.
Since you're down there. He's smarter than me. He says since we're down here, he's gonna replace it. I just should have replaced mine on the Miata.
These two, and then those all around. Center portion comes out.
That's what holds it in.
That's the rear main seal, yep, all. What? This one. Two up from the bottom, all around the edge.
So, other than that, we might do his brakes today. I don't know, I think we're both running out of gas.
Yeah, it's getting towards the end of the day. We got a lot done.
He didn't think we'd get the trans out today. I said, hold my cherry Coke, watch this. We currently are taking torque off of the engine. We have it hoisted on the top, pumped on the bottom, so. It might be here a few days. No, it will be here a few days, so. Let's just peep these guys' eBay coilovers. Probably the nicest eBay coilovers I've ever seen.
They do the job.
They do the job. And I mean, I haven't ridden in this thing, but I've seen its ride quality. It's not terrible, and they're fully adjustable. Do they have dampening too? Nah, I don't see nothing.
No.
Hey, you can't get both, I guess, right? It's eBay. You gotta
have it all.
Beggars can't be choosers. So we're gonna work on this thing a little more, and I don't know, I might call it a day. It's only Friday, so we'll finish it Monday when he gets the rest of his shit in. Look at that freaking hair.
Washers.
All right, I've been working and kind of busy the last couple days. This guy has been hard at work. He's got his freshly painted, beautiful red brakes on here with his drilled and slotted rotors he just put. Got all 4 of them all done. Still have to bed them. We have the back tires on. He's got the transmission in. Shout out to you, Stein, for giving him a hand yesterday, and Rich, you guys did good.
Hell yeah.
Giving this guy what he needs. We got a bunch of the shit all back on. Got the axles back in. Everything's good up here. Still doesn't have fluid. We gotta do oil filter, all the stuff on the top, fluids. Still gotta help him do a boost gauge, but maybe Lance will give us a hand with that. Or we'll go to Lance, either way. Can't wait to see how much power this thing makes with the new clutch. It's gonna be unreal.
And the stickers. Can't forget the stickers.
Oh yeah, beautiful stickers. Shout out to all those companies I never heard of that are more of a Euro thing that I don't know anything about. Cool. But yeah, she's coming together. Should have her done by the end of today.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. I think we'll do it, no problem. All right, we have everything back into it.
No foot on the clutch.
On the ground, so the moment of truth, Jake. All right, got some oil moved around. Let's check underneath. Not see any fluids, so we're gonna have to bed the brakes because the brakes are done, and he's got his brand new clutch in there, so he's gonna have to brake that in during the braking period. All new trans fluid, new oil. We still have to do spark plugs and the fuel filter, but we did the oil filter. He's got to do the boost cage still, but it's on the ground. Yeah, so we're gonna do spark plugs and the fuel filter, and then we'll be done. All right, got the fuel filter done. So let's go bed those brakes. He's gonna turn it over a couple times, just make sure he gets that fuel juicing through there. All right, well, rookie mistake. Both of us forgot to check the lug nuts. So we're gonna go back and tighten those and then try this again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the brake bedding process went very, very well. As you can see, we've got our garage back to its former glory. So that is gonna do it for today's video. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you wanna see more content. Drop a comment down below if you want. Peace out and keep turning those gears.